I've seen the work he did for AP seminar in his 10th grade, and it's incredible. He is a smart young man who is kind and respectful to all. He is humble, professional, and very hardworking. Can we have a drum roll, please? This year's first 11th grade Rocket 11 winner goes to Cody Liang.
It's this ability to stay positive that makes her such an incredible person. It's easy to become negative when things don't go your way, but she is able to stay the course and continue to be a positive person. Others see this, and it gives them a lot of motivation to continue on. Can we have another drum roll, please? The winner goes to Karen Galvez.
Yeah.